Take a ride in the 2017 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. So this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.